Freezing is the quickest way that I know of to preserve zucchinis to use them later throughout the year. So in this video, we're gonna freeze them in 3 different ways. I wash and peel them first and save all of the scraps for the compost or the chickens. Then label the Ziploc bag. If you are on a time crunch, this is the very fastest way to freeze the zucchini. You simply chunk it up and throw it into a bag. You don't even worry about taking the seeds out. I have a delicious zucchini soup that I use this with, and I will link it down in the description below. It is so tasty, and for some reason, the seeds just make it taste even better. A second method is to chop it up into cubes, and then it's ready to throw into soups and chilies. You don't even have to defrost it. You can just open up the bag and toss it in. A third method is to shred it before freezing it. I measure 3-cup portions and then freeze them into individual little bags, which those bags are then just put into the larger Ziploc bag. The same as with the cube zucchini, whereas the big chunks just all go into one bag. I don't individually package them. These are all labeled and ready to go into the freezer for me to take out later. It's 6 months later and I am still pulling zucchini out of my freezer. This is some of the shredded that was frozen in August. And then I'm also going to grab some of the cubed so that I can put it in some soup. So I'm going to make some muffins and soup. I will leave a zucchini muffin bread recipe linked down below in the description, as well as this lentil soup and the blended zucchini soup.